Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on emotional intelligence and social skill. The question is, how do I establish and maintain relationships? Kit, I'm a social person. I'd love to say good morning, chat briefly with coworkers, and fully participate in lively discussions and meetings. I've noticed turnover recently. People come and go, and I often have to start relationships with new people. Any tips on how I can establish and then maintain relationships? The foundation of relationships, both personal and professional, is trust. Establishing positive relationships requires you to be trusting and trustworthy. Maintaining relationships also requires trusting and trustworthy actions. If a person takes the risk of being open, sharing what they think and how they feel, the key to maintaining relationships is based upon your willingness to respond to another person's risk-taking in a way that ensures that the other person will experience beneficial consequences. This is accomplished by being accepting, supportive, cooperative, and empathetic. Expressing acceptance is responding to that person with high regard and mutual respect, whether you agree with them or not. Expressing supportiveness is being encouraging and emotionally supportive concerning their perspective and observations, and their abilities and capabilities. Expressing cooperative intentions involves continued discussions about working together and achieving mutual goals. Together, you can create a method for moving forward. Expressing empathy creates warmth and understanding, which increases trust in the relationship, even when there are unresolved conflicts. So to establish and maintain positive relationships, you need to be trusting and trustworthy. Trusting and trustworthy, that's me. So I need to demonstrate the social skills of acceptance, supportiveness, cooperativeness, and understanding. I can do that. I think I do that. Oops, I just said do. I feel more socially skilled already. Thank you for watching this video blog on emotional intelligence and social skill. So the question was, how do I establish and maintain relationships? Social skill is the byproduct of emotional intelligence. If we are self-aware, self-regulated, motivated, and empathetic, social skill should come naturally. Social skill is the culmination of the other elements of emotional intelligence. It's a gift that keeps on giving. If you and your coworkers could benefit from an engaging presentation on emotional intelligence, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide an interactive presentation that will elevate your emotional intelligence.